Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in Dolphin Emulator. First, you'll need to download the Dolphin Emulator. Always get the latest stable version from their official website to ensure the best performance and compatibility. Make sure your computer has at least a dual-core processor and 2 GB of RAM for a smooth experience. Then, legally acquire your Call of Duty game RAM from a disk you own. Once Dolphin is installed, open it up and head to the graphics settings. Here, you can choose your backend. Vulkan or OpenGL are usually excellent choices. For a great visual experience without sacrificing too much performance, try setting the internal resolution to 2x native, which is typically 720 pixels. Don't forget to configure your controller in the Controllers section, mapping all the buttons just how you like them. Now it's time to load your game. First, add the folder where your Call of Duty RAM is stored to Dolphin's game directory. Once it appears in the game list, simply double-click on the title to launch it. If you encounter any performance hiccups, don't worry. You can always go back into the graphics settings and try tweaking options like disabling VSync or experimenting with different shader compilation methods to find what works best for your system. To get the best possible performance, there are a few more tricks. In the CPU settings, make sure JIT Recompiler is enabled. This can provide a significant speed boost. If you're still facing slowdowns, try switching to an Ishii or fast CPU emulation engine. Finally, always close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. This frees up valuable system resources, allowing Dolphin to utilize more power for a smoother Call of Duty experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.